over the last 6 years and 8 months, 9th month now, almost 7 years, the government has, you want to call it earned, you want to say looted, choice is yours, 20 lakh crores through excise duty on petrol and diesel. 20 lakh crores. In May 2014, when Dr. Manmohan Singh's government demitted office, the international crude oil price was $108 per barrel. And how much were we paying for petrol and diesel in Delhi? Let's just use the example, a base example of Delhi for everybody's convenience. In Delhi, we were buying petrol for 71 rupees and 51 paisa per litre and diesel for 57 rupees and 28 paisa per litre. Imagine, crude oil was $108 per barrel, May 2014, and we were paying 71.51 rupees per litre of petrol and 57.28 rupees per litre of diesel. Come to February 1, 2021, this year, this month. The international crude oil price is $54.41, half of what we were paying in 2014 May. $54.41 per barrel, and today petrol is 89 rupees 29 paisa per litre in Delhi and diesel is 79 rupees 70 paisa per litre in Delhi. Why this difference? Over the last 6 years, the additional excise burden, and let's call it the Modi tax, over the last 6 years, the Modi tax on the common consumer has been increased by rupees 23 and 78 paisa on petrol and rupees 28.37 paisa on diesel. In percentages, you'll be shocked, 820% on diesel and 258% on petrol. Now you know why they want us busy fighting each other. Now you know why they want us busy living those fake emotions through fake controversies. As we have seen, the government has earned 20 lakh crores from the consumers of petrol and diesel through Modi tax over the last 6 years. Do we see the impact of this spending in any sector? Whether it's the MSMEs, whether it's defense, whether it's agriculture, whether it's measures to reduce unemployment in the country, where do you see the impact of spending this 20 lakh crores?